My people, today I go vex small for una. Why? Because the thing wey I wan show you today don dey happen for years, right under everybody nose, and nobody dey talk am loud. We go talk about block, the very block wey dem dey use build your house, the same block wey you trust with your life savings. I get news for you. Many block industries don turn this thing to full-blown scam, and today I go show you the proof, step by step. Make we start from the size. Standard block for Nigeria, the popular 9-inch block, suppose measure 450 millimeters by 225 millimeters. That's the standard. That's what engineers calculate your building strength around. But go check well for some sites today. Many block industries, they produce block wey don shrink small. Maybe 440 millimeters instead of 450. Maybe the height don't reduce too. If it look like nothing to you, just small difference, but I beg, make you no underestimate am. You see, when block dimension reduce, two things they happen. First, e mean say the producer don't use less material, less cement, less sand, for the same block wey dem go sell you full price. That's pure profit for them, pure loss for you. Second, and this one pain me well, when your block dimension dey inconsistent, your mason go struggle to lay them well. The joints go dey uneven, mortar go dey thicker for some places, thinner for others. And any place where mortar thick pass normal, that place don't become weak point for your wall. Now make we talk about the real wahala, the strength. This one na where the scam thicken. Standard block suppose get proper cement to sand ratio, usually around 1:8 or even 1:6 for load-bearing block, depending on the standard your engineer specify. But you sef know as it be for many block industries, them go cut the cement small to save cost. Instead of 1 bag of cement to 8 head pan of sand, some go stretch and reach 1 bag to 12, even 15 head pan. It go still look like correct block when fresh. It go still get the gray color, the shape, everything go even feel solid for hand. But give am time. Not there, the real test they show. I don't see block where person carry hand press, and the corner just they crumble like Gary. I don't see wall where them build, and after 2 rainy seasons, you go see hairline cracks they form for the block itself. Not even the plaster or the block self. That na sign say the strength no reach standard from the very beginning. And by the time you notice you don't already plaster the wall, you don't already pour money for finishing. Na so person go just they manage substandard house, they hope say nothing serious go happen. So how you go take protect yourself? Make I give you the small things we fit, save you big money. Number 1, before you buy block in bulk, go test sample. Carry 1 block, drop M from waist height go ground. Strong block no suppose break anyhow. If it shatter like biscuit, no use that supplier. Number 2, carry measuring tape. Go site, check the dimension yourself. No, just trust your eye, because eye fit deceive you, especially if you know too sabi building before. Number 3, and this one important well, ask the block industry directly, wetin be your cement sand ratio. If them they hesitate, if them they avoid the question, that na red flag straight. A genuine producer no go fear to tell you their mix. Number 4, don't ever buy block strictly because e cheap. I sabi, say money tight for everybody. I understand the economy no easy. But cheap block na the most expensive mistake you fit make. Because when that wall start to crack, when you start to dey patch every year, you go don't spend double, sometimes triple wetin you for don't spend if you bought correct block from the start. And number 5, if your budget allow, engage an engineer or quantity surveyor to inspect the block before delivery, especially for big projects. Yes, it go cost you small money up front, but that money na nothing compared to rebuilding a wall, or worse, compared to a building we fail later. My people, building your own house na one of the biggest investment many of us go ever make in this life. Some of us don't save for years, some don't sell land, some don't even borrow money, all to put together this one house. So why we go allow person come use cheap, substandard block, come gamble with all that sacrifice? This information wey I just give you no be just gist. Na money I just save you, na future I just protect for you. So I beg, share this video, give your brother, your sister, anybody wey dey plan to build, make this kind scam no continue to dey happen for our community. If you don't already build, comment below. Tell me, you ever suspect say your block fit don shrink or weak? Make we gist for comment section. Until next time, my people, build smart, no gamble with your money. This na Aproko Builder. Dey alert.